Hi, I'm Uday Rai from Panitanki and I completed my plus 2 from BOSE. I chose to do my diploma in culinary arts at Aqube Institute of Management and it's been one of the best decisions I have made. AQ gave me practical exposure and the chance to work with industry professionals. With the help of a sponsor, I have developed skills that prepare me for real-world challenges. I'm thrilled to say I have been placed at USA Teleferic Barcelona Los Gatos as a trainee, and I'm ready to take on this exciting new chapter in my career. Thank you, AQ. Thank you for everything.
नमस्ते सबैलाई मेरो छोरा अब युएसए जाँदैछ अब यहाँ एकयुलाई चाहिँ धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु अब यहाँ एकयुमा आएर यसले राम्रो उयो गर्यो र अब यसरी नै अगाडि बढ्दै जाओस् राम्रो कामहरू गरोस् एकयुको धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद